Hey guys, I'm Jesse Goforth. Welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the notifications. That way you'll never miss another video like this one. Today, we got some, I want to say baby blue slime. And we got some googly eyes. Let's see what they do. Next side. Oh. No! Where'd it go? Where'd my eyeball go? Dixie will find it for me. Eyeballs. Eyeballs. Okay. Okay, let's add the rest of them. There we go. Now let's mix it together. Be very careful. The eyeballs feel so weird. Okay, I think we got it all mixed in. Oh, one fell out. There we go. Let's see what this looks like. Ah! I'm watching you. We also got some colorful ones. Here's a blue one, pink one. There's a yellow one here somewhere. Oh, right here. Ah. Yellow, and we got the little baby black ones. So, it feels, oh, I'm losing eyeballs. It feels so weird, and it looks weird, too. So, it kind of feels lumpy. Lumpy slime. Lumpy and hard. I don't like it, but oh well. Ah! And it's so shiny. I don't know why, but it looks so cool. It's looking at me. I'm losing eyeballs. See what it sounds like when I drop it. It bounces a little. Get back in there! Oh, is that a different color? No, that's yellow. See if we can do a swirl. Let's stretch it out. Ah, I'm losing my eyeballs again. No! Don't put so many eyeballs in your slime. Okay, here we go. Stay still. This is what it looks like. Looks like a deformed rose. Let's see what Dixie thinks about all the eyeballs. Dixie! You like eyeballs? Hold on, let me get it up. You like eyeballs? You like eyeballs? You did that bug. Look at my little bug. Dixie! She's getting away. She just doesn't care. Okay. Ain't nothing wrong with that. So, that's all for today's video full of eyeballs. So, stay tuned for my next video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And I will see you guys again. Bye!